Good evening, friends. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, I will explain about how to add cells in Excel. How to add cells in Excel. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So we are having the cells A, B, C. So I will provide some values here. Maths, English, and I will give some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Maths 85, 52, 65, and 65. So English I will give 89, 56, 65, 45, 87. So this is how we can give the values in Excel. So now I want to add cells. I want to add cells. Like I want to add new column here. So I want to add Telugu subject also. So what we have to do? Like you have to click the right click. Like you have to click the right click button on your mouse. You have to click the right click button on your mouse. So click on right click and insert. So you can see you can insert a new column and which includes a column cells, which includes a column cells. So here you can add Telugu and you can add values here 58. So you can add values like this. You can add values like this. And if you want add a row, like if you want to add a row column, like sorry, a row, if you want to add a row, just you have to click on right click on this symbol, right click and insert button. See, a new row is created. So you can add like this here. Here you can add a number, any number, and you can add the values. You can add the values. You can add values. This is the column insertion. This is the row insertion. So this is how we can add cells in the Excel. You can add cells in the Excel by column and the rows. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class about how to add cells through column and row. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.